StockCharts.com is in the business of providing some of the web's best financial charting and data visualization tools, primarily to individual investors. So we're focused on this retail crowd, normal people that are using our charts and our tools and just kind of make better financial decisions for themselves.
Ultimately, StockCharts is a development company. Some people might think that we're a company full of traders that actively trade the market. That's not really true. We are technologists. We love making the web and our website work really, really well for people. And so you need to create an environment, a company and an environment that fosters that kind of activity for programmers.
So we have been limited for the history of the company until this point because we've been in our own data center, we've been having to manage that ourselves, but moving to the cloud really enables us to think bigger and better than we ever have before.
Ultimately, we selected AWS, Amazon's cloud offering, because it allowed us to move into an environment, a cloud environment that was extremely similar to the data center environment we were coming from. The standard generic auto-scaling capabilities that come with AWS and that come with other clouds weren't actually enough for us. We needed more control over what was going on. We've used F5 both in our data center as well as in the cloud in a wide variety of ways. We really love the iRule capability that F5 has. They help us decide which pools the traffic is going to, which collections of servers are going to handle each particular request. When you're moving to the cloud and you need to live in a hybrid world, you're probably going to have a subdomain or two in order to do that. In other words, your original service will still be in your data center, but all the stuff that's been converted to the cloud will be in a different subdomain. And when that happens in the world of the web, you have to authenticate your subdomain. Doing that for every single one of our applications would have been really, really difficult. With an iRule and a simple change, all that happened automatically. So the big IP was able to help us get over this hurdle that we had in order to use subdomains. And that was super critical in order to have part of our site up in the cloud and part of our site still down in our data center.
I think our move to the cloud has brought so much more energy to our business. I mean, when we sit down for product design meetings and we sit down to brainstorm new features and things like that, we're able to think about so much more than we ever have before. So it's brought a lot of sort of inventive, innovative spirit and a whole new energy to a lot of our business decisions, strategy, product decisions. Our whole development team feels like they have so much more in front of them now than they ever have before. And it's just a fantastic opportunity for us to really think bigger.